Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring the most breathtaking coastal walks and adventures at this beach lover's paradise in 2024. This year, get ready to escape to a world of turquoise waters, soft golden sand, and endless ocean views. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the most incredible coastal walks and adventures that will make your beach lover's heart skip a beat. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, drooling over those picture-perfect beach destinations, only to end up stuck in a tourist trap with crowded shores and overpriced resorts. The struggle is real, folks. As beach lovers, we crave more than just a relaxing getaway. We want an adventure that gets our hearts racing and our senses tingling. But where do we find that perfect blend of relaxation and excitement? It's a question that has haunted many of us for far too long. We've searched high and low, from the Caribbean to the Mediterranean, only to come up empty-handed. But what if I told you that I've discovered a beach lover's paradise that checks all the right boxes? A place where you can hike along rugged coastlines, swim in crystal-clear waters, and even spot dolphins playing in the waves. Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it's not. From the rugged shores of Big Sur to the sun-kissed beaches of the Algarve, I'll be taking you on a journey to some of the most stunning coastal locations around the world. We'll explore hidden coves, secret waterfalls, and even spot some unique wildlife that'll make your heart skip a beat. And the best part? These destinations are still somewhat off the beaten path, so you won't find hordes of tourists ruining the vibe. Let's start our journey in the picturesque town of Tofino, on the west coast of Vancouver Island. This place is a nature lover's dream come true, with its ancient rainforests, vast beaches, and stunning coastal trails. We'll hike through the misty forests, spotting black bears and wolves along the way, before ending up at the most breathtaking coastal spot I've ever laid eyes on, Long Beach. With its rugged shoreline, hidden tide pools, and endless surf breaks, this place is a beach lover's paradise. But that's not all. We'll also explore the sun-drenched coast of Portugal, where we'll discover hidden coves, spot dolphins playing in the waves, and even take a surf lesson or two. And for the more adventurous souls, we'll head to the rugged shores of Cornwall, where we'll hike along the windswept coast, spot seabirds galore, and even take a dip in the icy waters of the North Atlantic. Of all the coastal spots I've explored, there's one place that stands out from the rest, the tiny town of Abel Tasman, on the north coast of New Zealand's South Island. This place is a nature lover's dream come true, with its turquoise waters, golden sand beaches, and stunning coastal hikes. We'll take a boat ride through the crystal-clear waters of the Abel Tasman National Park, spotting penguins, seals, and even dolphins along the way. And the best part? This place is still somewhat off the beaten path, so you won't find hordes of tourists ruining the vibe. So, that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you've enjoyed this journey to some of the most breathtaking coastal walks and adventures around the world. From rugged coastlines to hidden coves, we've explored the best of the best. If you're as obsessed with beach destinations as I am, be sure to comment below with your favorite coastal spot. And if you want to check out more videos on beach activities, be sure to click the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.